So last month, Shiba Inu got up to about 4 zeros and a 7. If you would have invested $100 last year in August when Shiba Inu hit the scene and held it up until October when it peaked to that 7 range, you would have made over $14 million. Let's get into it. What up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm Anthony TV. Look, do me a favor, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for me, like this video, and drop a comment if you got a comment, man. Look, guys, today I want to talk about some cryptocurrency, man. But before I get started, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research before investing into anything, all right? Now that I got that out of the way, if you've been following the channel, you guys know I love cryptocurrency. I love investing in crypto. I like investing in meme tokens, altcoins, and just crypto as a whole, right? However, with that said, I do invest in stocks as well. But for me personally, I really like crypto a lot better for a number of reasons. But the main reason for me is that you can make a lot of money in a faster time period when you invest in cryptocurrency compared to the stock market. The volatility in crypto is crazy compared to the stock market. It's nothing to see 30, 40, 50, 100% swings in the crypto market. So just as fast as it can run up, it can go down just as quick. So when you invest in crypto, you really have to know your risk tolerance, and you have to understand how the prices fluctuate, and understand that when the spikes happen and when the drops happen / corrections, you just got to understand how the market works, or you will panic sell if you see the value going down drastically, if you don't understand how it works, right? But I want to talk about crypto because I feel like digital currency is definitely the future. Digital assets as a whole, I think where we're going, cryptocurrency is going to be major. I mean, if we look at the overall market cap of cryptocurrency, we're sitting at about $3 trillion, give or take. We'll just call it $3 trillion market cap for cryptocurrency as a whole, right? And we all know Bitcoin makes up a little over 1 trillion alone, right? So Bitcoin makes up the majority of the crypto market in terms of market cap, and everything else kind of falls under that. But we see what's going on with a lot of the financial institutions incorporating Bitcoin in some form or fashion into their business. So it's really mainstream now. Bitcoin is the fastest growing asset. We all know that with cryptocurrency. And so I just see it growing and getting bigger in the future as more and more financial institutions and people picking up Bitcoin and incorporating cryptocurrency as a whole into their business. It's just going to help increase the value of the overall crypto market, right? And so I think that's what we got to look forward to. If you're not invested in cryptocurrency as of right now, again, this is not financial advice. It definitely may be something to consider when you look at long-term growth and value and where we're headed in the future, right? So for me personally, like I said, I do invest in stocks. However, I like cryptocurrency a lot better, even with the meme coins. You look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu dropped, listed last year, right? August 2020. And you look at it now, just about 15 months later, and where it's at. So these meme coins have made millionaires just by getting into these tokens early. And that's the thing with cryptocurrency. That's the thing with investing in these particular assets in general, not just crypto, but also stocks. If you can get into these plays early, you have a better chance at getting a higher gain, higher return on your investment, especially with cryptocurrency, right? If you can get into some of these plays early, you really have a great chance at making a really, really good return on your investment. I was reading the article earlier today about Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu, like I mentioned earlier, came on the scene early August of 2020. So they've been out about 15 months. I read an article where if you would have invested $100 back in August of 2020 into Shiba Inu, today it would have been worth a little over $14 million when it peaked up last month, and got up to 7 something, not 7 cents, right? But it had got up to like 7 something, with all the zeros in the front. I believe it has about 4 zeros in the front, so 4 zeros and a 7, you know. I believe it was close to the all-time high. I believe we got up to like 8 something in terms of all-time highs. Shiba Inu, if you would have held on to that investment, $100 last August up until it peaked to about 7 something, that investment would have turned into a little over $14 million, right? How did it spike so quickly? How did it increase in value like that? Well, because of the community, right? Because of mainstream attention and mainstream adoption. Being listed on major exchanges, all of these things help increase the value. Token burns. There's still a lot of tokens out there, right? That's a fact. However, tokens are being burned, so the circulating supply is going down. Now, we just had an issue with the circulating supply about Shiba Inu, and you know, some more tokens was added on to the circulating supply. We know that has to be addressed, right? However, we see where the price is at now. I personally believe that we're gonna at least lose a 0, maybe 2 by the end of the year or beginning first quarter of next year. That's just my opinion. I definitely think the price is gonna increase. But again, guys, investing in cryptocurrency can really make you a lot of money if you invest in these particular assets early on, or at least get into some good, solid assets. Like I said, it's always smart to get into something like Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is almost, 68,000, 67,000. It's somewhere around there right now at the time of this video, so it's approaching 70,000 per coin, which is amazing. You look at Ethereum last time I checked was about $4,700 per coin. So these things are rising in value. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. Digital currency is the future. You look at Metaverse and what's going on with Metaverse and some of the meta tokens like this Decentraland, which is Mana. You look at Engine and some of these other meta tokens. Check these things out, man. Look and see what's going on around you. Look at how the world is evolving and moving towards the future. The metaverse, like I said, the virtual reality, the artificial intelligence, all of these things, that's where we're headed. And so it's 2021 now. Where do you think we're going to be at in the next 5-10 years? So it's important to try to invest into these things now before the pop, right? Before the boom. That's the idea. So like I said, guys, do your research. Please do your research. I want everybody to be able to capitalize and really make some good money, become financially independent, financially free, create generational wealth for your kids, all of that type of stuff. That's definitely my plan, and I want that same thing for you guys, right? So look, do me a favor, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for me. Like this video, drop a comment if you got a comment. Until next time, I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.